In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get to cPanel on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, this will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to get to cPanel and GoDaddy. And of course, if you want to do that, we will just let me note you that you can get your cPanel, of course, username from the settings section in the dashboard. You can click at your name and not pro dashboard. You can simply click at my products, which will take you to the products page. Then simply click at in domains, click at your domain names, and let's just wait for the page until it loads. Oh, sorry, not this domain portfolio. So let's just go back once. And of course, you can here simply click as manage once you find this domains. That's what, oh, it took us to the same page. So normally here you will have your dashboard and you can get from that your username. Of course, for you, if you have this pro dashboard, you can just go and click on it and get the username from there. And that's why you don't find the dashboard here because you have this pro dashboard. Of course, as I said, you can get your username from the settings section in your account dashboard. And if you haven't changed your cPanel password to something of course, your cPanel password and your primarily FTP password are the same thing. So just keep that in mind. So of course, you can open a new tab if you want to get into your cPanel. Then simply type HTTPS, two dots, two slashes, and your name or your domain name. So let's use an example. It's going to be my domain name. Let's use an example. It's a test. And of course, simply .com or .whatever you have slash cPanel and hit the enter button. Then you will have to enter your cPanel username and password. Then select login and you will get into it. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.